guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, and on the workbench today I have a classic Hasegawa product catalogue from 1985. Inside here is a few pages of their model kits. Basically, if you've not been on this channel before, what I do is I go to my stash and I get a catalogue out and I film it page by page so you can see what was being released back in the day. I filmed this in HD, and to see it in the best quality, go to the cog settings, click quality and select 1080p. If you think I'm turning the pages over a little bit too quickly, you can slow the video down by also going to the cog settings, click playback speed and selecting either 0.5 or 0.25. Obviously you can just press pause if you see something that you like, and then to continue watching a video, press play. Only 10% of people who watch these types of videos on my channel are actual subscribers, and it would really help the channel if you could just click that red subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. So that's it for the introduction. Let's get to it. This is the Hasegawa Scale Model Catalogue for 1985. Enjoy. So there is quite a bit in this catalogue. Oh, there's a lovely poster in the back here. We'll open it up first. You know, if I just open it up, there's some, you know, 1 to 8 series, 1 to 32 series. There's Space Techno 10 series. Moving on through, there's a lot here, and you know, if you watch the video, you can see it all. But yeah, it was, you know, you could take this out and put it on your wall, and you can then tick off when you've actually done whichever kit. I do like these Egg of the World series, and I hope to build some more when I get some more in. But there's some really good Egg series models here, just a bit of wacky, bit of fun. And then you have the 1 to 450 scale warships there as well. And they did a yacht, which was the Winged Yamaha. If anyone sees that on eBay, let me know what the price is, okay? You'll be a bit surprised. Anyway, so we'll open quickly, have a quick look through. Bit of bump at the beginning there about the fact that through all Hasegawa hobby kits of nearly 300 varieties, there runs the unchanged Hasegawa policy to produce the kits which build up the most accurate model with the minimum of difficulty and patience. Yep. When they say that, you do kind of wonder why you just don't buy the model already built, and all you got to do is paint it. Anyways, you got your contents on the side, and first off, I've never seen these in real life. I would love to see what they look like. If you know anyone who's got one, just film it and put it on YouTube so I can have a look, because they just look delightful. These are professionally made 1 to 8 scale planes that just look phenomenal. Look at them. That, you know, you can do the engines on them. You know, there's everything in here. You can even put them in a display frame. There's so much here that just looks amazing. And I've never, as I said, I've just never seen one with my own eyes, but I'd love to see one. There's their Space Techno series. I don't know much about them. Then you're moving on to the 1 to 32 scale Deluxe Series or Deluxe Series, Luxury Series. And there's some lovely models there. Look at that Comet there. You got the Boeing P-26A pea shooter, the Mustang, the Hellcat, the Skyhawk, the Hayabusa, the Spitfire Mark 5B. You know, I've seen that being built on YouTube. But some lovely models in here. They're the 1 to 72 scale aircraft. The range of them's quite good. They've always been good at them. Moving on through quickly. There's their Panther and the Aki Jake, is it? E13A1. There's the Lockheed P38JLF Lightning. So there's probably 3 different schemes on that one. Look at that Corsair. It's lovely, isn't it? And the Viggen. Everyone's built a Viggen. There's quite a lot in this one, isn't there? BAE Harrier Jump Jet. GR Mark III. There's the Sea Harriers there. Lovely, lovely models. And as you see, this one here isn't box art. This is just pure photography of the models built. There's the A864A Apache. Got a feeling that Tamiya did that one as well with the same tooling. I may be wrong, so don't quote me on it. There's the King Size series. I assume that's molded parts allow you to enjoy the process of constructing those large aircraft, and the completed models look really impressive. So this is the King Size series. So you must be worth a few more bob. Look at that Lockheed there with Japanese markings. Stunning. Then again, you've got your Science series, which is just one little picture, and that's it. 1 to 48. Look at the detail on there. Can you see that? I'm sorry the light's crap. I'm really sorry about it. But look, that is really nice picture there. Really, really good detail. The ejector pull rings there. Stunning. And he's looking at you. That's brilliant, that is. I wonder if they cut the head off and turned it. Moving on through. This is the 1 to 48 scale aircraft series. You know, they just look phenomenal. Then you have all this where you can buy all the bombs, the rocket launchers, all the weaponry really, to make your model look the best. Look at that, fantastic. Then the 1/200 scale, which is their commercial planes, mini box series. I don't know much about them. Mini box series offers one of the largest variety of famous military vehicles in the world. So the military vehicles is the mini box series. That high-speed tractor there, the Daimler, the Humber Mark II, Crusader Mark III, Churchill Mark I. Quite a range here to do, isn't it? That's the Leopold train. That's some hell of a gun, that, isn't it? Field camp equipment set, checkpoint set. There's loads here. And then you can also buy the decals, so you go decals, so you can, you know, buy extras if you need to. 72003, 72003, Japanese national insignia. So yeah, you can there's all different ones there. You need to buy extras. Look at that Hughes 500. That's a cute little plane. What's the coin series? They're supposed to be designed particularly for low-age modelers. No glue is required. So no glue required for them. There's the egg-shaped aircraft series. Brilliant. Fantastic. Fun to build. Look at that sabre there. And the Zero Fighter. Look at that. Fantastic. Ming do a range of these as well. Ming models. Really good. Check them out. I've done a few reviews on them. If you go through the channel, you may see some reviews for the egg plate. They do look phenomenal. That's smart, innit? Phantom Boy Fire Dragon. You know, has it got that anime sort of look to it? Is that how you say anime? Then the 1 to 450 scale warship series. Then the 700 waterline series. And there's that Yamaha yacht that just looks phenomenal. Some of the pictures on there. Some of the detail as well. Brilliant. And not so much rigging because it's not a sail ship. Last couple of pages is their product list. There's 300 odd pages. 300 odd models here across the pages. And then you have the best of selection. So you could buy some woven patches, etc., and some t-shirts, and there you go. And there's the back of it, and I think we're almost done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell. Should be notified on any new videos. Any questions, comments? If you've built the kits, let me know how you got on. Just leave them all in the box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.